Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to cut your chicken breast to make very soft chicken 65. So this is the chicken breast after cleaning with lemon juice and turmeric. So I have removed all the bony parts from this side as well. So what you need to do is you need to make lines like this and then cut them across the muscle liner. See, you have the muscle liner in this direction, so you cut the chicken into this direction into even pieces. I'll show you. Before that, I've cut a slit like this because the breast is too bulky, and then so it will typically be like this. And once you get this, what you need to do is you need to cut them into small cubes. So this one you can use for 65 or lemon and honey chicken. So it will be very soft. And all the more important is if you cut in a slanting direction like this, it will be more softer. This one. So each piece should be even.